Hi everyone, thanks for checking out this video. So this is going to be a quick advertisement to tell you guys about the blog I've been writing recently. So this is where it is online. It's just my name, Mike Saint-Antoine, without the hyphen, .substack.com. So I've had a couple of different posts here recently. Yeah, basically like you guys might know from my videos that like most of my professional research that I'm doing for my career is about computational cell biology. So that's kind of what I'm doing for my like grad school work and like for my career. But other than that, other than my like professional research, there's a bunch of other topics that I'm kind of interested in on like a hobby, like general curiosity level. And so my blog is going to be for writing about these other topics that interest me, like in addition to my professional research. So I've had a couple posts lately. Just the thing I've been interested in lately has been like prediction markets and forecasting. So I've written a couple of posts about that. So it's a lot different from like the biology videos I've been making on my YouTube channel, but in some ways it's kind of similar. I mean, if you check out these articles, like these are basically all just each article is like trying to answer some kind of question I had and trying to like do some data analysis and try to investigate something I was curious about. So I have this like article, and then there's also a link to my GitHub with like the data and the code that I use to do the analysis. So if you guys are interested in like general data science going beyond just the biology, then some of this may be interesting to you. But yeah, it's up here on Substack. I mean, you guys can like if you like it, you can like subscribe for free. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching. This was just a just a quick like shameless like self promotion advertising video. So yeah, if you guys want to learn about like some other data science topics besides biology, then yeah, like check out my blog if you want to. I'll probably be writing about like really anything I find interesting. Lately it's been like prediction markets and like forecasting and stuff. But yeah, I may just write about like anything I find interesting, going beyond like my like professional research. Thank you guys. See you next time.